Okay, back in my studio. There's a whole bunch of new stuff I need to set up today. I got a new ring light. Fortunately, I thought this is longer. Only goes on the table. So I'll see how I may have to elevate it somehow. And today is not a nice day. It's raining. Which is okay, we need rain. So I got all these little coasters, wood coasters, and I started to experiment with them. And this time I'm doing like a Dutch pour, but sort of in the bloom technique. I don't have all the fancy paints I'm supposed to use for the shady bloom technique, so I'm just doing my own way. And since I'm trying to experiment here, I want to talk about Mother's Day as it is today. The last few years wasn't all that fun anyway. It feels very forced. The kids don't care, husband don't care. I don't have my mom around. She's in Europe, so that's not helping. So, and this time, because we couldn't go to a restaurant, and my father-in-law died the week before, so there wasn't really much happiness going on. But even last year, it wasn't. Every time I have to tell, my kids do this and do that, go buy flowers, and my husband go buy me chocolate or whatever. I mean, my kids are young adults now. They could go out and buy their mom some little thing for Mother's Day, but they don't do that. So I decided, what's the point? It's just a big disappointment anyway, and it's just a way for the flower business to make money. I mean, even this year, I'm sure they did a lot of deliveries, I guess, with all that going on right now. But so yeah, it's overrated. Mother's Day sucks, and that's the point. If nobody wants to do it, I don't want to force it because I'm the mother. When the kids were little, they made presents in school. They talked about it, but now, if nobody takes the initiative and doesn't care, why should I? I decided not to care about Father's Day either. He's not my father, right? I talked to even the other mothers who had younger kids. They weren't up to it either. That was kind of a letdown for them too, so yeah. Well, let's just forget about Mother's Day and just like your mother and appreciate your mother every day. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen in my family, but maybe it happens in yours, so that's my little rant about Mother's Day. So let me know in the comments how your Mother's Day went. You have appreciative kids or just brats like me. Because in Europe, I think it gets taken more seriously. I actually did. Like when I lived there, I went to get my mother little flowers and chocolates, and my grandmother. And my cousins did the same for their mother when they were adults. So anyway, let me know in the comments. Okay, so Mother's Day is over, and I'm just up here in the studio checking out my projects, which you saw in the vlog. This one, and this one. And then I made those little hearts with the rest of the resin you didn't see. I don't think there's a video of them. So here you go, Mother's Day things. I kind of redone some of the little ones. And yeah, so I'm going to attempt, I'm a little scared, but I don't want to wait anymore, to get rid of the tape on this one. I just don't, I don't want to happen what happened to the other one when I took it off too early and then ripped out the whole painting. So maybe I'm going to start using a knife, an X-Acto knife, so you can watch me how I not ruin my tray. this goes when I do this. Actually, I don't need to take this off. I just need to take the green one off here. If I put resin on it, I need to retape it anyway. Yeah, it's still doing it though, fortunately. Shoot. Yeah. See here? It's peeling off right there, so this sucks. I'm always doing that. I'm gonna have to wait longer, I guess. It's not because it's so soft. Okay, so as you can see, it really was badly here. I don't know. I think probably maybe I should have waited longer, but I think it's because I used those pre-mixed ones, and they form a really thick skin, and it just comes off. Maybe I should have sanded this more so it adheres better, but I'm going to put resin on it anyway, and I'm guessing I have to just paint the whole thing. This comes off there. I'm going to paint the whole thing white, I guess, because I'm not going to deal with all this. And there's resin on it. So yeah, I'm going to put some glittery resin on it, and paint some of this white first. And go from there. I don't want to redo it because I lost a lot of paint there, so. Same with the other one. I don't even want to look at that one. That one fixed with the resin too. So that's that one. That's pretty much it for today. I hope you liked this, enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, give it a like. Yeah, leave a comment if you like. And I hope you guys had a good Mother's Day if you're a mom, or you went to your mom or whatever. And I hope this current quarantine is gonna slowly but surely lessen, and we can go and do some things again that we used to do. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye.